how you guys doing? Hope you guys are safe and sound. So today I'm going to review this S6 wireless gamepad controller. In the meantime, I'm using this Q2 gaming headset mic to test out how the mic perform. So you guys hear me loud and clear? If it's yes, let's begin. And now I've already opened up the box. So basically inside the box is just this gamepad controller and one handphone holder, and then this is the charging cable and the menu, that's all. And for today's video, there will be no fancy background music because I would like to test out how the mic perform. Alright, let's take a look at the gamepad here. The design is pretty simple, and then it feels sturdy and not flimsy. And for the surface here, it feels like there's some rubber surface here. Is to make your grip more firm, right? And then these two joystick over here, and you can press down the button. And on the right side are the letter button, and on the left is the directional pad here. So in the center is the home button, the select, and the start button. So let's take a look at the front. So this is the micro USB charging port, and on the right, on the right side is the R1 and R2 button. So on the left is the left 1, left 2 button. So another 4 button on the front. And that's all. So let me show you how to put on this smartphone holder. So as you can see, this is stretchable. So how do we put it on? So you see this semicircle curve right here. So you just put it like stick it to near the home button here, and then you pull out the tail so that you will hold your grip to the gamepad. Yes, that's all. So this thing is to hold your handphone. So it depends on the size of your handphone. So later I will put my handphone here, and it's for easy gameplay. Right? And now I have already put on my handphone to this handphone grip here. And for this device, it actually uses the Bluetooth connection. So according to what's written on the box is that this device is compatible with your Android tablet, smartphone, or iPhone, iPad, or your Android TV or TV box. Alright, so what we need to do is to press this home button here and select the Gamepad Plus V3 to have them connected. And the next step is to download this Shooting Plus V3 app, and then just wait for a while. Yeah, so they are connected, and there are a couple of games here which actually they preset for you all the game control, which you might not want it. So we need to reset the device, and then make it the floating window. Okay, so the next step is to play the game. And right now we are inside the game, the PUBG. And first of all, we would like to assign all the joystick control, the gamepad buttons and all that to control this game. So what we're going to do is to press the V3 app here. Then as you can see, there's a menu here, and we select the new, and so we can assign all the controller. First of all, we would like to assign this joystick. Just press up or down, and then you can see the red joystick appearing. Move it to the on-screen controller here. Double tap, and you can see it is used as the ordinary stick, and the speed probably will control to 26 or whatever. Just press OK. And next is for the surrounding view, the next joystick, just press up or down, left, right. So move this joystick to somewhere here, double click and change it to view. So the speed probably 1, so press OK. These are the basic control. Then we need to save them. Press the save, OK, and wait for a while. Now you can see how smooth is the control. So this is the surrounding, and you can start running for your life. And then we find some place to hide to assign other controller button. I think this is the good place. And then next one, you need to click on this V3 again, and then you can assign the X button. You see this X button over here, so you move it to the punch icon here, and then the B button, you can move it to whichever you want, the squad, for the squad, or you can press the Y button, move it to the jump, and then the A button, you can move it to the move it for the prone position. Move it to the prone icon here. Then you save it again. There you go. So the X button will be the punch, and the A button cannot prone, sorry, can prone it, and then the Y button, jump. So basically this is how you assign all the buttons and control here, and then you can start playing your game. But there's some drawback here. It's because the PUBG uses many control, and then the buttons over here are not really enough to fully control the game. Therefore, you need to sometimes use the on-screen control, like drive in or open the door, or other things. You might find that when the keys are not enough, you just need to use the on-screen control. That's all. And that's all for the basic introduction. So basically this gamepad works perfectly fine. As you can see, it's quite smooth, the control, no lag. And in conclusion, I think that this gamepad is really worth buying, and it's only about 11 USD. So with this gamepad, you don't actually need to touch the screen so often, and you'll have less fingerprint on the screen. And secondly, you can prevent scratches from the fingernails or the rings. And then thirdly, you'll have a much more smooth gameplay, because if you use the screen control, there's a friction between the screen and your finger, so it might cause the game delay here, right? So and then the phone holder here, it actually makes the view much more clearer and makes things much more easier for you. And I think that's about it. So that's all for today. So I do hope that you guys can hit the bell, hit the like, and please subscribe, because I've got some more budget gadget coming up for reviews. And we'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and healthy, and bye.